My name is Faisal Mohammed. I am the Client Services Manager, and I've been at Weba South Africa since 1996. To prolong the lifespan and performance of the Weba chute, it is of utmost importance to conduct appropriate inspections on the chute on a regular basis. As from the date of installation, it is necessary to inspect and monitor the chute performance and wear rate of the lips to determine maintenance intervals. Improper inspections or no inspections on lips and liners can cause severe damage to the chute, where it can lead to holes being made on the side plates of the chute and also the performance of the chute. This can lead to spillages, skew belt loading, or even total destruction of the chute. With proper and timeous inspections and maintenance of a chute, it will contribute to the chute lasting for years with minimum maintenance costs.